how to clear print files from the Bambu Lab P2S 3D printer. So there's two ways of doing this, and the first way is in the Bambu Studio software on your PC or Mac. At the top here you want to go to Devices. Then if you don't come straight to this page here, you want to go on the left, select Storage, and then at the top here next to Time Lapse, select Model. Then you can hover over and you can see Download, Print and Delete. Simply press Delete like that. It'll say, do you want to confirm it? Just press Yes, and that will delete the print file from your Bambu Lab P2S printer. Now the second way is directly on the LCD screen. Go to Print Files here on the main screen, and you'll see all your print profiles, what you've printed, are starting to stack up. You can see it's on the internal memory. What you want to do is press and hold, and then this pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to delete the Vinyl Record Coasters Music Legends Edition? That's the name of the print file, and you just press confirm and it'll delete, and you can just keep pressing and holding to confirm to delete. So that's how easy it is to clear print files from your Bambu Lab P2S. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.